You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend.
Hey guys, it's Olivia, and today I'm filming the Ugly Location Photo Shoot Challenge. I actually got Audrey and Haley to come with me. Audrey, my sister, Haley, my best friend. And we went to 3 different places. We went to a laundromat, we went to McDonald's, and then we went to Target. I don't really do challenges. I didn't really challenge myself that hard with these because I feel like a laundromat is low-key, like, photogenic anyways.
Looking good, Audrey.
Hold on to this. I think we are done with location 1. I'd say that was good. I don't know, should I change in here? Because it's really hot. Should I change here? Cameras everywhere. I am sweating. Like I said, the laundromat's just low-key, already like cute, you know? We got some pretty good ones. I would say my favorite one of Audrey, and Audrey wasn't a fan of this one, but I think it's so cute. I love like the perspective of it, and the lighting from the back was adorable, but she doesn't like it, so it's fine, I guess. My favorite of Haley I like this one. It literally looks like, you know, she's just sitting there posing, like waiting for her laundry to get done. I think it's just really cute, and I don't know. I don't think there was anybody even actually there working. So this was probably the best and easiest location because we didn't have anybody like watching us. Yes, there was like the other people actually doing laundry there, but they didn't really like ever stare or anything. So it was good. It was chill. It was fun. These from me like acting like I'm doing laundry, and clearly I'm definitely not. Just I'm like in it, sort of. Not fully, because, you know, I don't want to be breaking the rule. I don't want to get anyone's panties in a wad. But I thought these turned out really cute. Probably will post them. You want to just follow me on Instagram, go ahead, Olivia_Reiner. This one would probably be my favorite of myself that Haley took for me. She's really good at taking portraits. I just love the angle of it and the perspective of like my foot, like this sort of like foreshortening going on, and all the colors really popped. Also, if you are really into that sweatshirt, I hauled that in a thrift haul from last month. But if you're into it, I cropped it. It's super cute, and it's going to be up on my thrifting account, Olive's Threads, so check it out. Also, sorry, shameless self-promo, but this shirt too. The next place that we went to was McDonald's. We're at our next location, but we got food first because we're hungry. But look at this table. And I got, you know, the usual chicken nugs. But the cups are cuter than I thought, Audrey, so we could probably use these in it. Sure. Okay, so the goal here is we're outside McDonald's, and that McDonald's was super nice. And if we were going to take them inside, I'd rather it be like retro. But we're going to attempt at just getting the sign in the background of our photos, so we're gonna see how that turns out. I'm not really sure. We might just go with like the classic like hold up your glass sort of deal with it. I don't know. We're gonna try things. This McDonald's was literally nicer than my house, so that retro sort of gross restaurant fast food vibe we were going for in this photo shoot were not going to happen. This didn't take too long, but Audrey ended up getting very frustrated. But Haley did a really good job. She didn't want to be in these ones, so it's just me and Audrey. And I would say these are the 2 winners of the group. The third place that we went to was Target. We are here. Get those angles.
Sorry.
No, you're okay.
We're in your way. Oh, I got you. Yeah.
Good job, Mother. Everybody, a round of applause. First place we went to in there was the freezer section. Took some pictures in front of the ice cream. I would say these are my favorite of the 3 of me, Haley, and Audrey. The next place in Target that we went to was the cereal aisle, and these turned out really adorable. I have 3 pictures that are my favorite. I think all the colors are popping, and we had the whole primary colors going on. I don't know if you can't tell. We purposely like grabbed cereal boxes on purpose that were also primary colors and like switched them so we didn't have our own like it was pretty planned out. I mean, hopefully someone notices that and appreciates it just as much as like I am satisfied just looking at it. And we also tried taking some pictures by the fruit. I will pop those up right here. I didn't edit any of them because I wasn't like in love with them, but I think they still turned out really cute. Wow, cute. Cute. That's the only word in my vocabulary. I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. It's kind of weird for me to be doing a video like this, but I definitely had so much fun and I love going on photo shoots. I think I might copy a few people's Instagrams, just those are super, I feel like a lot of people were doing those not that long ago. So, you know, bye. Oh. But then I'm like, ugh. Like, what is going on there? I'm not a fan. So, funny story actually, some guys like pulled up and they were like, okay, like old, not old, I mean like 40s or something. I mean that. Oh, are you guys like photographers or something? Yes, Audrey. So Audrey had to awkwardly answer. She just loves interacting with strangers. She's a social person. She's a social butterfly. Comment down below. Meaning is you don't have to. You can really comment to anything. I'll listen. I'll talk to you. Please comment. Please. So just to give you a little preview, we'll probably be going up soon. Super cute. You know, it gives you a little incentive to just go freaking check it out.